and Lo. Today, Lauren and I are doing a video that we thought would be super fun. We are going to go shopping for each other's outfits. Do you want to say the rules?
Yeah, so I think kind of gonna like see how it goes, like play along as we go.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. But I think like the rules are, so we have $100 and we're gonna go to Nordstrom Rack so we can get our money's worth. I mean, if we feel like there's not enough stuff there, then we can go somewhere else, but like that's our plan as of now.
We love a good Nordstrom Rack find.
Literally, like all my favorite stuff that are like, I feel like other people's favorite things that I wear are from Nordstrom Rack. So like we're gonna see. And okay, so Nordstrom Rack, $100. What else? Oh, I think. Do you think we should? Like get the stuff? We have our sizes, so we'll like. Do you think we should just get it and then do the like surprise reveal after?
Yeah, I think so.
I feel like because like trying it on, like then it's like you know what it is.
Yeah,
so.
And it's like if something doesn't fit, we live 10 minutes away from Nordstrom, we can go return it.
And then we love Nordstrom because they're so nice about returns, so that makes it really easy. So that's what we're gonna do is and then also I think we're gonna confront each other with maybe some things that if we were to see it, to grab
and
for
we
each
think
other.
It's like the right piece. Like for example, Lauren's been looking for a blazer. Me too, by the way. So keep that in mind. But Lauren's been looking for a blazer. So like if I were to see a blazer that I thought really fit her vibe, then maybe that's something I incorporate in her outfit.
Exactly. And so if there's any like special things like that to look out for, then there's that. And then also just like general things like Katie is like more of a monotone gal, but if she was like, oh, I really would love like this color or something, then like we'll take that into consideration. But it's gonna be fun, and I trust her so much with choosing my stuff, so hopefully you feel the same.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna see how it goes, and then we'll show you guys everything after.
Yes. So we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Okay, so we're back from Nordstrom Rack. We're trying to film, but the whole, you have to hold everything while filming really did not go well for us. So.
No, so it's just like a surprise and we're back.
Yeah, we're back.
So we're really excited. Okay, so Katie and I, we didn't cheat per se, but we did call each other once to be like, hey, I'm in between these sizes, or there's this item I want to get you color-wise, that kind of thing.
But I didn't say the color. It was how bold are you going? Are you willing to go with X,
still
Y, Z?
very vague, but because we were spending $100 on each other, we wanted to make sure that it was
good stuff.
good stuff. Okay, can I give you your stuff first?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I take it out for you, or should you just dive in?
Take it out for me. Give it
Okay.
to me in
I
a
feel
color
like
that you want. And then okay, wait, really quick.
Yeah.
What was your mindset going into it? Because I had I had an idea of what I was looking for you,
Yeah, so I knew you are very black, white, gray, neutral gal, and I wanted to do that for you, but also spice it up just a little bit. Not push you out of your comfort zone, but something that I do think you would pick out for yourself, but also be maybe this is a little more oomph than normal.
Okay.
Because I know you kind of have been wanting to do that a little bit.
It's
and
true.
I also was trying to think of things that you don't have in your wardrobe but are similar.
Cool.
Because I didn't want to copycat things that you already have. That doesn't make any sense. So, okay, first item. What a steal. I'm going to tell you. Okay, so this is a Rebecca Taylor top. The Rebecca Taylor is a super expensive designer brand. It was $295 and I got it for $32. Did I win or did I win?
None of my price comparisons are anywhere near that impressive.
Look how
I love that.
This top. Do you like it?
I love this.
I feel there's and I think transitioning to spring / just spring,
yes.
just tucked in,
yes.
and I didn't think it was too girly.
No.
It just looks very crisp, and obviously it's great.
I really
great
do.
brand.
I really do love it.
Wow. I'm so excited.
Wow.
But what a steal! What? You're holding a $300 shirt for $30.
That's insane.
So I love Nordstrom Rack, guys. I'm wearing all Nordstrom Rack right now, so it's a part of the brand. Okay, next. Okay, wait, I'm doing that last. Okay, I know that I've borrowed one of Katie's bodysuits that's a strappy one, but I've been really wanting this for myself, and Katie and I will sometimes online shop together and be oh, I really like like that. Good idea. Like, ooh, I kind of want to like piggyback off of that now and like also get that. So I just know that I've been wanting a staple like this in my wardrobe, so I knew that you needed it when I saw it. And it is a t-shirt bodysuit.
So I almost picked this out for you.
Like, great.
Yeah,
like I feel like you'll wear this all the time. It's super comfy. It's like ribbed like material.
I love the ribbing.
So
cute.
Great.
Love it.
Just really, and we're still staying with the black and white, guys.
Oh, so that's funny. I totally almost got you that.
Wow.
Maybe I should have.
No, it's so cute. Okay, so then these pants. I love these pants. And I was trying to decide, I didn't know if I wanted to get the printed pants that are fun or get like more of like a staple. It was between Blake NYC.
Okay.
Like just normal jean. I don't know if you saw those. And then these are custom Elliott, which are, I'll tell you the price, but kind of like
really good.
Kind of like a Rebecca Taylor situation. Ooh. Okay, do we like?
Yeah, fun.
Okay, fun, but also I know that you could wear it with black and white.
Yeah, totally.
And stick to it. Okay, so these are size 25, current Elliott. Okay, they were $228 and I got them for $53.98. So like this was the most expensive thing, but I knew that Katie did not have these and she needed them.
You knew I didn't have those.
Yeah, I knew. And I was seeing all these outfits in my head with stuff that you have that I was just like,
yeah, you'll have to style me. Cute.
Like, they're so, feel that, like they're so
like, nice. Yeah, very nice, like thick material.
But I do think the 25 is the
yeah, they definitely look like the right size.
Yeah. So.
Wow, you did so good.
Can't wait. Oh my god, thanks. Okay, there's one more thing. So this is the thing that pushed it over a little. But I was like, oh, like, with all the stuff that I got, this was just like a mood. It was just like a vibe, and I was like, okay, we could wear it with the stuff, like, or not. But I like went into Katie's closet to try to borrow a belt, and like I saw all the belts that she has. First of all, I wanted to borrow one, and she's literally like her waist is so small that like me and my other roommate, like who are also like fit gals, like can't, not even close. So, but I noticed that when I saw her belts, she had like browns and black, and then she had like one printed one. Mm-hmm. And I just like know your vibe, and I kind of just felt like when I saw this, I was like, wait, she totally needs this, and it would like fill the void in her belt collection. So it's a Vince Camuto belt, and it's white with silver.
Funky fresh.
And it's a small, so it should fit.
Yeah.
But
wait, I like that. That's really cute.
It was $40, and I got it for $15.
Wait. Ooh, I really like that.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it was worth it.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm so excited. Yay. Do you want yours now?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Christmas morning. I'm so excited.
Okay, so when I was shopping for Lauren, so I was trying to keep in mind, like, what are the staple things that, like, Lauren would think about when she shops. And it's, like, the cool colors, a funky embellishment detail that adds some impact, uniqueness, doesn't make it just some everyday old, you know, t-shirt, whatever. And then also just something that is like a little bit like different.
Funky fresh.
Yeah, funky fresh.
But wearable.
Like a wearable funky fresh.
Yeah.
That's basically what I was thinking about. Okay, so the first thing is kind of just like a basic, but I really, really, really liked the color for you, which is why I got it.
Oh my god. I'm nervous. I'm nervous right now.
Okay, so it's like a very basic bodysuit, but the color, like I love this cut. You look really good in the V-neck.
Oh my, thank you so much.
I just really liked this color for you.
I love this color. It's like a terracotta.
Yeah.
Love it.
And I feel like you kind of wear this with pretty much anything.
Yeah, great. BP has some great staples. Medium, perfect. Easy.
So I just felt like, and you could wear it with the next item.
Okay.
Or not. We went for like pieces because we thought an outfit would be too limiting.
Too hard.
And we wanted to, like, if we were going to spend money, we wanted to get stuff that they liked.
Get a lot of stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so this was like my wild card. I was like I was like on the way to checkout. And I was on the phone with Lauren, like, okay, yeah, I'm walking to checkout. And I was like, wait, hold on. I just think I found something that's like kind of a game changer that I want to switch everything around for.
What is it?
Okay, they're these pants.
Ooh.
They're like a funky kind of joggery style, but they're like a nice material. And I was thinking these would be really cute with like a square neck, like the square neck bodysuit you wore that one time.
Oh yeah, it's cute.
With like your black booties tucked in, with like kind of like street vibes.
Yeah, I love the color. These are great.
So
Love.
that's so fun.
Yeah, and I like don't have anything like this.
Yeah, just like a different pant.
I like literally, I think the color, the charcoal olive is exactly how
Yeah.
I would describe. No, these are so cute. Thank you.
Yay.
These are great, and obviously we know that the length is right because they have like a cinch at the bottom, so
That was also a determining factor.
no problem there.
Well, and there were a lot of like, she really has been into wanting like a pair of the cropped, like flare straight jeans that aren't like just like a skinny jean. And so I really wanted to get a black pair, but she just bought a pair of the blue wash ones. And so then all the other jeans were too boring for you, honestly. Like, I couldn't just like spend my money on them because I knew you wouldn't wear them. Okay, then my favorite thing I got you. Okay, I got you a pair of shoes.
Wow. I saw them. Pull them out, please. Ooh, these are great. And I've been so into red lately. Are these size 8?
Yeah.
Okay. I've been so into red lately, and we love an embellishment. These are so cute.
And I thought those were so perfect for like spring and summer.
Spring and summer.
And I was really torn because I had a mustard pair too.
Ooh, so this was your item. This is the item.
Yeah.
Oh, the mustard would have been cute too. Honestly, that would have been a really hard decision.
I know. I stared at them and thought I had made my decision about 6 times, and I kept having to like put them back down and stare at them again and be like,
you know what though? I feel like the mustard ones would show dirt more.
Yeah, I felt like the mustard ones are just like a little bit off neutral, so you couldn't wear them with everything, but you almost could. So I figured like you could wear these with more stuff because they're just more of a statement, and they're meant to be a statement.
Yeah, these are so cute, and
I loved the shape of it.
And I love that they don't have a what do you call it? Like I like that they're almost like a mule style.
Yeah,
I'm not like restricted
No.
in the back.
Let's see, what were the price of these? They're Vince Camuto. They started at $129 and I paid $60 for them. So
Love that.
like half off-ish.
Yeah, we love a deal. Oh my god, you did it great. These are so cute.
Yay.
So cute. I love them. Wow, and that's something where it's like I would have been like, wow, those are really cute, but like I think I would be like, oh, like do we need another pair of shoes? Like, so I love like that you pick them out because it's like I do love them, and I don't think that I would have treated myself to them.
And I liked the heel height because like you could wear them to like dinner and it's cute, but you could also wear them like very easily during the day.
Yeah, I'm obsessed. You did so great.
You did too.
They're all things like in my wheelhouse, but like I don't know if I would pick them up myself. You know?
If you hate them, you can like very much return them. I have the receipt.
No, I like want to try them all on now. Like I'm so excited.
Yay!
Do you like your pets?
Yes, I do.
That was so fun.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, well we hope that you guys like this video, and let us know if you want to see more fashion videos like this where we kind of like style each other, or, you know, have fun with our clothes. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe.
Yay! And we will see you in our next video.
Bye!